So this morning we're going to the Royal Palace. It's about a half an hour walk from our apartment. You can't actually go inside the palace unless you've got like special written permission. So we're just going to go around the outside and like, apparently there's some really nice gates. I think there's like 9 gates or 7 gates. But apparently if you want nice photos you have to get here quite early because apparently it's quite busy. Found one of the gates.
Oh, it's also like palm sharp that side.
Yeah. So
Get that one?
yeah, might get this one, but we'll try and find the other ones.
I set out on a road that I built with my own 2 hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night, and I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without.
So we're meant to be on the other side of this fence. Not actually that we didn't find the entrance this time. We did find the entrance, but seems to be closed today. We think it's Islamic New Year, which we didn't realise until about half an hour ago. So yeah, that would explain why it's closed.
That's annoying.
Don't know what we're going to do today now. Yeah, a little bit annoying if we're going on a day trip tomorrow that we could have done today if we'd known, but never mind.
Looks nice from here.
Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Rated is far in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe.
So we've just come to the top of a hill facing the city, and it's got an incredible view of the whole Medina. You can see everything. You can see like the university, which is the oldest university in the world, and it's pretty impressive. So like all the mosques and stuff, and like you see the souks and how much of a maze it is. No wonder why people get lost so easily. But it's an incredible view up here. You should definitely check it out if you're here. Basically head towards that castle ruin thing and like follow the path, and there's a nice hotel up here as well.
So we have come to Cafe Clock. It was a little bit hidden, it's down a few alleys in the souks, but it looks really nice. It's super popular with the locals, so we've just come up to the rooftop and we're going to have a little snack and a drink.
It's got amazing views of the mosque and the whole Medina. Got a nice terrace. We're the only ones silly enough to be up here because it's quite hot, but worth it. Apparently Camilla did a cooking class at that cafe. Quite interesting.
Yeah, there's a photo of her on the wall.
Yeah, quite cool. Back in 2011.